Hey everybody, my name is Lay. Welcome to the commune, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this is an Amazon wig. I did a review on it already. It wasn't true to length, and it was kind of, it looked like kind of skimpish to me, as you can see in the back. If you notice, it wasn't true to length, and the lace wefts and stuff like that was off or whatever. Hold on, this is my glue I want to show y'all, but this is what I really want to show y'all. Y'all see how that wig laid down? It did really good. Don't excuse the baby hairs because I'm still working on that. This is me after I flat iron the hair, and it got a little puffy. It did good in the humidity. This is the glue again. I know I'm gonna keep showing that glue. I like that glue though, but this is my setup. How I have everything and everything I'm going to use. So I did the ball cap method. Don't know why I do it all the time, but I hate the ball cap method. I got my reasons, but the glue wasn't drying in one spot. It was pissing me off so bad, like it just wouldn't dry. But anyway, I sewed the wig cap down, and I sewed my wig cap down. I sewed those ball cap things down anyway. What I was saying before that, I was saying how the wig wasn't true to length and the wefts were kind of funky, so I could lay it a certain way. So like when I did my side part looks kind of real small. It's like hook like real close, small hook. I don't know why, but it just did. So I had um I had to wear a middle part, and my forehead is really big, so I try not to do middle parts because I just need that bang effect. Because I got a lot of forehead to work with, like a lot. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so this is just me. I'm gonna let the video play out and put some little music at the bottom. I'm gonna put some little music on for y'all. But I was just doing my little wig or whatever, and it came out cute. And then I show pictures at the end of how it came out as well. Sorry, I recorded it the wrong way because I meant to do it sideways, but I ended up doing straight up because I was recording on my phone at the time. My camera's perfectly fine. I don't know why I don't use it a lot, but no, I lied because I don't have a good stand. But anyway, this is me doing my wig, and let's continue. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my week. Thanks. I also want to say that I was doing my hair while I was at work, but like on my breaks and my lunches and stuff like that, and when I had free time. That's why it looked. I have those headphones in. I felt better just not taking them off because it was tedious putting them back on, taking them off, and stuff like that. So I just got the process going, with the headphones on. So that's why y'all see those headphones. But I was on my breaks and stuff like that because calls are always back to back. Can't really take calls and do my hair, but yeah, I just kept the headphones on because I was trying to move so fast. Because 15 minutes go by real fast, 30 minutes go by real fast, and all you get is two 15 breaks and then one 30-minute break, and that's it. So I kept the headphones on, and I took them off for like not so many times. But this I was talking about with the side part. I couldn't part it like too far back. That was the problem. That's why I had to resort to a middle part. But that's what I was talking about. Like, I don't know why I didn't show the wefts and stuff like that. I didn't really bleach the knots either on here. I just kind of did what it did, and I didn't pluck too much as well either. So that's why I say I like the lace. It was really all there. But anyway, yeah, that's how the week came. So Hey, girls on girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls on girls. Girls on girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls on girls. Hey, well, girls on girls where I'm from. But I know you wanna fall with the guy. And I know you wanna find this and that. Can't see me about sex every time. But you know that things go with my life. Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I, didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows almost to the count. Almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. But you can't get to heaven, hand over the ground. Everybody knows almost to the count. I can't keep on loving you one foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation, but that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I can give you and what you came here for. I'm gonna find me somebody, not afraid to let go. Wanna know don't be that kind of man. You came real close, but every time you pick me up, you won't be let me down. Everybody knows, almost at the count, almost at the count. Can't keep on, baby. Can't keep on trying. Everybody knows, almost at the count. I can't keep on, can't keep on. I hear her resolution, but that's never really sure. Can't keep on, no, no, can't no more. And all that I can give you, what you can't get for. Maybe you'll be sorry, maybe you'll be cold, maybe you come running back, babe, from the cruel world. Almost completely, you're gonna stick around, but everybody knows, almost at the count. So maybe I'll be here, maybe I'll see you around. That's the way it goes, almost at the count. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. They ain't stressed cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls on girls, where I'm